guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be a video on how to make any nude lipstick work on dark skin tone. So today I'm going to be showing with you guys two ways that I like to make my nude lipsticks work on my skin tone. I'm going to share with you guys my tips and my tricks on how you can make any nude lipstick work on your dark skin complexion. So let's just dive right into the video. I have two methods that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to share with you guys the super dark lip liner with the ombre type of nude, and I'm going to show you guys the flesh tone version that I like to use. I really like to use the flesh tone one, but I'm going to show you guys both ways. So my lips had lip gloss on it, but I wiped off my lips, so my lips are bare. So I'm just going to zoom you guys into my lips and show you guys. So I have my super dark lip liner. This is by Jordana and this is Coco Loco. I have my lipstick here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Revolution lipstick in Cashmere, and this is one of my favorite nudes to wear. Now this is super nude. Like if I apply this right now on my lips, like, do you see how that looks? It doesn't look right. It literally looks like I ate powdered donuts, and it's not flattering, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to a nice blended nude lip look. So, and if I was, maybe white complexion or lighter, obviously I wouldn't have to do this, because companies, they make nudes for lighter skin tone. I mean, there's some companies that are starting to come out with nudes for darker skin, like Mented Cosmetics. They have obviously they're black owned. Juvia's Place, I believe, Beauty Bakery. Like they're starting to normalize nudes for dark skin. But I really love this lipstick a lot. But if you see the way I do it, I'm gonna show you guys my method and the way I do it, and I hope you guys like my method, and I hope you guys like it. So I'm gonna take my Jordana Coco Loco lip liner, and this is the ombre version. Like, you know how basically I'll show you guys, like it'll be like my lips will be lined with the darker lip liner on the outside, and then the inside will be the nude lipstick. So I'm going to line my lips. I used to line my lips, I just to do it like sporadically, like wasn't really precise, but now I'm super precise with my lip liner, because you want to make sure that you are precise with it, because remember, especially if you're doing the ombre lip liner route, you want to be precise with it. So I love to drop my Cupid's bow. Okay, so now that I have like this darker lip liner, something you can also do is you can shade in. Like I've seen people shade in the corners like that. You can always shade in the corners, because we're only going to apply the nude lipstick in the center, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and I'm going to go lightly with it. If you have a brush, like a flat brush, it doesn't have to be like a lip brush or anything, just something flat, like anything that's flat and clean, you can just take it on the brush, the lipstick on the brush, and you can apply it to your lips, because you don't want to like go in there and just like mess up the lip liner that you just used. So you can just take a brush and just blend it in there. And then I like to go like this And something I like to do too is I like to go back with a thinner brush. And I'll show you guys what I do. But you just take your brush and apply the lipstick in the center. And then what you can do, you see how it's like this? You can always go back with your lip liner. You can go back with your lip liner and you can line more like defined. So this is method number one. You can always go on top of this with a gloss, like a nice juicy glossy lip, but for the sake of this video I'm not going to go on top of this with a gloss, but I'm going to leave it matte. But this is the first way that you can do your nude lip liner. And this is the way that I've seen a lot of people do it. Like they do like a darker outer part, and then the inside is like it looks more like an ombre look. Like the outer part of my lips are lined and then the inner part is lighter. This is a way you can do your nude lipstick. And now I'm going to show you guys the other way that I like to do it, which is more like, it's more flesh toned, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So now we're going to go on and do the next version. And this one is actually really pretty. I don't do my lips often like this, but this is really, really pretty. The ombre one, it's really nice. Now this next version that I'm going to do is the one that I usually do my nude lips like this. So now I'm going to take this KKW lip liner in nude 2, and if you compare Coco Loco and the KKW one, like Coco Loco is, you know, this dark, like it's pretty dark, you know, and then the KKW one is, compared to Coco Loco, it's more, I feel like it's lighter. So you see like the Coco Loco is more rich brown, and then the KKW one is more it's more cooler, and it's lighter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the KKW one and I'm going to line my lip, but I'm not going to be as precise as I was before, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the nude lipstick into my lip liner, and you'll see, like, as opposed to the other one I was more precise because I was trying to do like more of an ombre lip effect, but this time like I'm not too precise. So this lip liner, it shows, it's not as dark, it's not as rich as the Jordana one. So and as you see, like this looks like the color of my lips. This is more of a flesh toned lip liner, like I was saying. Like it's noticeable that it's there, but it's not super noticeable. And as you see, like I'm not being really precise with it, I'm just applying it. And then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that same lipstick, Cashmere, and I'm just going to apply it to my lips like this, like that. And then what I like to do with this is I like to take my finger and I just blend it all in. I like to go back with my lip liner a little bit and just kind of blend it. And I'm going to take my finger again just to blend it. And yeah, that's how I do the two nudes. So as you guys saw, like those are two different looks. Like one of them is more of a precise ombre type of look, and then this one I feel like it's more just merging the two, like merging the lip liner and merging the lipstick together, as opposed to the other one you can kind of see the difference between the two. So I think both ways are super beautiful. You know, whichever way you decide to do it, is your way, is, you know, your choice. But I just thought I would share with you guys how I make nude lipsticks work. And this trick works with all lipsticks. I have lipsticks that are lighter than this lipstick, and using this trick, it really does work, and it gives me a nice nude lipstick. Like, I know nudes is so hard to make it work on darker skin, but you just, you know, just use a lip liner. You could use a, you could go to some really rich lip liners such as like Coco Loco. I have darker ones than this, or you can go like more flesh toned. I like to do it more this way with my lipstick. I don't know, I just prefer like this look for my, you know, nude lipsticks. But again, you choose whatever you want to do, whatever works best for you. I think the other one is really pretty too. But yeah, guys, this is how I make nudes work for me and my skin tone. I really hope this video was very informative. I hope I helped you guys out if you are having like trouble, you know, knowing how to make your nude lipsticks work. Don't get discouraged with nude lipsticks. You can buy nude lipsticks. You can buy many if you want, because we can make it work as long as you have a good lip liner and as long as you have good blending skills. I think both ways are so pretty and they look really nice. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful to somebody. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.